Hey you guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing great. Today I have a package here from Renee's garden, and this is one of the 2 places that we've ordered seeds for our flower farm so far. These are all seed packets. They are mostly annuals, but I am going to show you today what we have here. I already opened this one, but I will have another video soon showing you what we got from the other place we ordered, and I have not opened that one yet, so that one will be a total unboxing surprise. Well, I mean, I know what's in there, but I'm really excited for that one. So, from Renee's garden, we got, I think, 34 different flower seeds. We may have gone a little bit overboard, but we are very excited, and there's just so many. If you've ever looked through a seed catalog, they make it really hard to pick. We'll just say that. So, I will start out with the herbs that we got, and then I will show you the flowers. Okay, and the herbs I'm really excited to use in bouquets. I've heard a lot of good things about like basil and the cinnamon basil ones that just add a really nice scent to your bouquets. I don't think any of those are in this pack, but we plan on growing like the cinnamon basil and a lemon basil. But here are some of the other herbs and herby flowers that we got. Alright, so this one is the Bode Gold Chamomile. And we have a lavender. And we got quite a few different poppies. So this is the Heirloom Kitchen Herbs Hungarian Bread Seed Poppy. This one's a sage. I really think this will look really pretty in bouquets. I'm really excited for that one. This is an Heirloom Pepper Box Poppy. Okay, and here's the French Rosemary. These ones are supposed to be really tall, 12 to 48 inches. And my grandma has some and they're really, really long. So they'll be great in bouquets. Okay, those are all the herby ones. Now I will show you the rest. Oh my goodness. This is the Music Box Sunflower. Here's an Heirloom Butterfly Scabiosa. Here's some Double Click Cosmos. A Mulberry Rose Nigella, or Love in a Mist. Here's one of the sunflowers we got called Van Gogh, and we looked up pictures of it. Some of these, it's kind of hard to tell what they're going to look like unless you see an actual picture, because these are all drawings, illustrations. But these ones looked super, super pretty in the real pictures we found. Here's the Lawrence Dark Grape Heirloom Poppy. Same with this one, it looks really dark online, or on pictures. Yeah. Here is the Love Lies Bleeding, the really dark one. Shirley's Poppy Angels Choir. Fragrant Sweet Peas Zinfandel. Got it. Alright. Now, we have these are dahlia seeds, and I'm not really sure about these. I haven't heard a lot, but they're called Watercolor Silks. We'll see. We'll see if these work. I mostly hear about like dahlia tubers, so I'm not sure because I haven't grown either one yet. So, we'll find out. We got some Feverfew, the White Wonder. Super pretty. Butterfly Flowers, Starlight Echinacea. Alright, here's a few zinnias. We've got the Berry Basket. And then a Cut and Come Again. The Persian Carpet. This one I thought looked really good for fall bouquets. There are a lot of deep reds and orangey colors, especially the real pictures of them. They looked really good for fall. Here's some Granny's Bouquet zinnias. some summer pinwheels, and then some Dancing Petticoats Cosmos. It's kind of a mix. It looks really cute. And then a Butterfly Flower Paradise mix of Echinacea. I'm really excited for that one too. And then there's a Flashback Calendula. These I'm hoping are like the peachy colored ones, like the bronzy with the pink mixed in that I've seen pictures of. Like I said, the illustrations are really cute, but it is kind of hard to tell if you don't look up actual photos of them. So we're kind of like really excited to see how all of them look once they start growing. Here's a Globe Amaranth, the Mardi Gras Parade. This one you've probably seen. It's like the oranges and the reds and the dark maroon burgundy color. Here is more sweet peas, the Strawberry Fields. Some cornflowers, the Blue Boy. Another Zinnia State Fair Gold Medal. Some more cornflowers. This is a butterfly mix. Here's some more cornflowers. This is the 4th of July mix. And these ones are called Heirloom Chocolate Daisies. And it actually says that they have a chocolatey scent on the back. So that should be interesting. These are some Clarkia. And the last one is April in Paris Sweet Peas. So, I'm sure you guys all think we're crazy by now because that isn't even all of the seeds that we ordered, but we are super excited and we're hoping we have some success with our first year. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this seed video and stay tuned for the next one. It'll be coming really soon. Alright, I hope you're having a great day and I will see you soon. Bye guys!